comfortable in your language? Are you you don't feel inferior about your own language? That's
One should
that
not.
perception. That perception is a problem. In our industry, there is a kind of conception among heroines they don't want to play mother. She's like a very lightweighted girl, and it's nice to it's enjoyable to lift her. Also communicates the chemistry between two people.
Right.
And I was very comfortable with her. We shot few songs in Georgia, and I had a great time. Hi, I'm Irfan, and you're watching Bollywood Hangama with Faridoon.
Is that India is a very interesting country because the fact is that there are many languages. There are many. Fact is, it's like many the way the constitution says it's a nation of nations.
Yeah.
Many languages, many cultures, many different people altogether. Very varied people as well. So it is also considered. It is said that English is like a link language in
Oh, yes.
in a country like
It has
India.
played
You cannot
that
have
role.
one language superseding everything. But
Sure.
English links people together.
It has, it is a link. It is a link, and like in this city, people come from different regions. Like from South India and from Calcutta, and so English becomes a linking language. But the point is not that. Point is that are you comfortable in your language? Are you you don't feel inferior about your own language? That's
One should
that
not.
perception. That perception is a problem.
Yeah, because-
Learning other language is always a great thing. It broadens your mind. When you learn a language, it gives you a different way to think. So learning a language is a great thing, but to look down upon your own language is a
Absolutely,
problem.
absolutely.
That's a problem.
Well, in fact, the best of critics of literature, they say that no matter what language you may find cool or whatever, but the fact is that you should always express in your own language.
Yeah.
Because the way you'll express the idiom, the way you'll understand the idiom of your own language, you can't understand that with, say, English or any other language which is supposedly cooler and has a wider reach.
Yeah. Every language has its own peculiarities, and that cannot be translated into other. Like जाट का ह्यूमर आप इंग्लिश में ट्रांसलेट नहीं कर सकते.
Absolutely.
No. या लखनऊ में जिस तरह का सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है वो ट्रांसलेट नहीं हो सकता.
Absolutely.
सो हर लैंग्वेज की अपनी पिक्युलरिटी होती है, उसका अपनी एक स्ट्रेंथ होती है, उसका एक उसकी रूट्स होती हैं.
Right.
So you should be you should be easy with it, and you should feel good about it.
Definitely. So you're having Sabaa Khamar in your film. How much of an incentive was it to this romance Sabaa Khamar? She's an extremely good-looking woman. Not
Very
not a
good looking and very charming, very
not
naughty.
a conventional
Yeah.
actresses that
Yeah.
we tend to see around, but extremely good-looking and very, I think, a fine actress as well.
Very fine actress. And I saw her video on the YouTube, and I thought she would be great for this part, because in our industry there is a kind of conception among heroines they don't want to play mother. So we were having a hard time to find a heroine who can act first and who is ready to play mother.
Right.
So it became really difficult thing for us to cast.
Alright.
And then we found Sabaa, and Sabaa, because they are doing series, so they do characters.
Correct.
So they have an orientation of playing characters,
Ji, ji.
not self image. They are not they don't consider themselves like they are not serving to a star image there.
Absolutely.
In series they are playing different characters, so they have an orientation of playing characters, so that made things easier for us.
Right.
Very easy, and very she added a lot. And we also wanted a girl who has a spice.
Spice is the dirt word, right?
Yeah,
I'm really
yeah.
glad that you say that.
Yeah.
And so the idea is sometimes less is more. Even she has, I think, few maybe a tinge of glamour moments in terms of the dressing, or maybe the
She
way she puts
looks
her hand
so.
around you.
Yeah.
So कभी-कभार सिर्फ एक हाथ रखने का अंदाज में कहीं ज़्यादा रोमांस होता है,
Romance
बजाय कि
होता
आप सबको दिखा रहे हैं.
और बहुत ज़्यादा
Do you agree with
communicate.
that, sir?
Oh yes.
Right.
The way you hug somebody, the way you
Absolutely.
embrace someone, that communicates a lot, and that also communicates the chemistry between two people.
Right.
And I was very comfortable with her. We shot few songs in Georgia, and I had a great time lifting her and putting her on my back. And
I'm really glad that you're saying this. I'm really liking your honesty. That's why I think
yeah,
you love
yeah,
Irfan Khan.
because, yeah. She's like a uh, very lightweighted girl, and it's nice to it's enjoyable to lift her.
It's enjoyable to lift up. I'm
Yeah.
liking this conversation. I'm sure the people who are watching it live as well, they're liking it as well. All right, and so now finally, do you know the language of swimming pool?
हमारा जो कपल है फिल्म के अंदर वो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है उसका ना, बिकॉज हमारी जो वाइफ है मूवी के अंदर जो उनका कैरेक्टर है वो को क्लास कॉन्शियस है थोड़ी, और शी कम्स फ्रॉम अ डिफरेंट क्लास, और हम चांदनी चौक के चांदनी चौक के लोग जो डुप्लीकेट ब्रांड्स की दुकान है उनकी, बुटीक है एक जो डुप्लीकेट कपड़े बेचते हैं ब्रांड्स, मरीज मल्होत्रा और फलाना दिमाग का तो उनमें हमेशा एक क्लास का एक वो है, तो उनके लिए स्विमिंग पूल की स्पेलिंग आना बहुत ज़रूरी है। कई बार वो जो है रोमांटिक होने से मना कर देती हैं, बोलते स्विमिंग पूल की स्पेलिंग आती है तो मैं रोमांटिक होंगी नहीं होंगी। सो आई प्रॉमिस्ड हर आई लर्न द स्पेलिंग एंड
एस तो आता ही है।
एस तो आता ही है।
Alright, so I think that's the fascinating part of watching Irfan Khan is the way you underplay it and the way the subtlety which is there without saying anything, the way you can get the humor. That is, I think that is simply fantastic, sir.